Hey guys, my name is KURLS and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is back to the basics. After last week and just not being excited about how my hair turned out, I'm just gonna go ahead and film my curly routine using like my go-to favorite products. So I have here the Jamaican black castor oil, their treatment mask. This is my all-time favorite mask. It's just awesome. I don't know, like when I was first starting off my hair journey, this and the Neutrogena Triple Moisture was like the only deep conditioners I would use. It's made with shea butter and peppermint, as well as apple cider vinegar, and it's to help nourish and restore your hair. It's for, you know, damaged, like chemically processed hair. So I love those type of masks because, you know, it's just gonna snap you back to life. It has this nice brown coating and it just like clumps your hair together. I also got from that line the styling lotion. I'll use this to style my hair. And then I have two conditioners. I'm gonna actually use the Pattern medium conditioner to condition my hair, and then I'm gonna use the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner to style my hair. I'm gonna use it as a leave-in conditioner. So those are the four products I'll be using today, obviously, like with my olive oil and my grapeseed oil. So if you're interested in seeing, you know, my final results from my current curly routine, then just keep on watching. So as always, we're just gonna start off by like, I'm gonna go like wet my hair, section it off so we can apply the conditioner. Just finished applying all the conditioner. We're gonna wash this out and then we're gonna deep condition. I really like this conditioner. Like when I first reviewed her product line. Wait, do we know what I'm talking about? The Pattern, when I first reviewed Pattern, I had like the little on the go kit, so all the products were super small. So when I had it, it wasn't this one. It was actually the heavy conditioner, because that was you don't have an option. So this is what comes with it, right? And this was like too thick for my hair. So when I went and bought like the regular size packet, I made sure to get like, you know, the medium one to kind of work better with my curls, and I think it does. Yeah, I think my hair is clumping at the end, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, I think this works really good for my hair. It's like halfway gone, so I'm gonna be sad because this ain't cheap. I don't remember, but I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, it's like $25 a bottle or something like that. But yeah, we are gonna wash this out and then we're gonna deep condition. So be back. So treatment mask and my olive oil and my grapeseed oil. Guys, not much has changed about the actual routine itself. You know, as you can see, I just want to use like my favorite products and we just gonna clean my hair. I don't know, like I said, it's just like, I just needed this to happen after last week. I don't know if like the retail price of this product went down since I last bought it, or if Target was just having a sale, because this was $9.99. Like normally when I buy this conditioner, it's like $13.99. So it might have just been on sale, but that would have been like a double sale because I don't know if it was like, it was probably all of Shea Moisture, but I was only looking at the Jamaican black castor oil line, and it was buy one get one 50% off. So it's like it was already on sale or a lower price, and it was buy one get one. I don't know how long that little sale is lasting, but for Shea Moisture, that's pretty good. So, because I almost never use just one of their products. It's always like products in conjunction with each other. So if you need to get some Shea Moisture products or you use Shea Moisture, you might want to run out to Target and keep an eye on like how right now ULTA is having like their beauty event, or no, it's not a beauty event, it's the gorgeous hair event. And I've been getting like updates each day for products that are on sale. And if I would have checked that today, I would have known that this same deep conditioner was on sale for like $6 on their website. I could have did like an online pickup or something, but it's okay. So grapeseed oil to seal in the deep conditioner. See, that's why I love it. It just like clumps together like that. I have some other deep conditioners that clump together, but I don't think anything compares to this deep conditioner. Like, I haven't found one other than, like I said, I used the Neutrogena, which is also like a repairing hair mask. I think just repairing hair masks just work really well. They just don't share the same ingredients. Like Neutrogena does not have like the same ingredients as this Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil. So, deep conditioner completely applied. A little goes a long way. It's like I really didn't even use anything in the deep conditioner my whole head. So, we are gonna let this sit for an hour. Then we're gonna come back and style my hair. God, it has been so long. I don't even know why it's been so long since I've used this deep conditioner. Honestly thinking like, I don't know why I didn't do like all the products together, like their leave-in conditioner, the styling lotion, and the deep conditioner. It's okay. I have a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, but not enough. I checked. So olive oil to the scalp. Can't see anything. Let me step back. Okay. Put my hair up in my little bun, and I'm gonna like deep condition is a messy business. We got stuff everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put on my shower cap and my bonnet, let it sit for an hour, and I'll be back to style. So, Jamaican black castor oil styling lotion and the Aussie moist. I'm gonna use this first as a leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I put on the leave-in conditioner to each section. I put on the leave-in conditioner to each section, then I go back and do the whatever style I'm gonna use. But in this case, we're just gonna put the leave-in conditioner and then put the styler directly on there. I'm pretty sure I didn't need this much. Okay guys, I have the product completely applied, leave-in conditioner and styling lotion. So that completes my current curly routine. I will come back and show you guys how my hair turns out. Yeah. So yeah, I will come back and show you guys how my hair turned out. This is what we're working with, like definition, super excited. So it takes like all day to air dry. So I'll come back tomorrow, or depending on how fast everything dries, because it's only like 3 o'clock, maybe later today, I don't know, but see you guys when I get back. Bye. Hey guys, so it's later in the day and this is how my hair turned out. I love the shine. It's still not completely dry, but here we are. Yeah, I normally part on the other side, but I just wanted to see, you know, how it would look. I can tell that when it's completely dry, it's gonna have some volume just from like this is completely dry. You can just see how it's like poofing out. But yeah, guys, this completes my curly hair routine using like my favorite go-to products right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you're not already to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.